Normal programming has been interrupted at the request of the U.S. government. Everyone receiving this broadcast should pay close attention. The information contained in this broadcast is vital to your safety. Please stand by.
This is not a test. This is an emergency as Iran, Syria, Iraq, and Russia has sent 200 missiles in your state of the United States. The U.S. government is not available in the country since they are in the Israeli and Palestinian war. Leave the state immediately and evacuate. May God bless the country.